If you're looking for a scrub that will help to exfoliate, remove dead skin cells, brighten your skin, and this scrub is very effective if you have problem or dark elbow, nail or body. This scrub will help to brighten your dull skin, leave your skin soft and smooth. Follow me to the kitchen. Let's prepare this Camwood Exfoliating Scrub. This is a very popular ingredient that has some popular benefits that you can use for your skin. It will help to exfoliate dead skin cell, brighten dull skin, help to soften your rough areas like your elbow, nails, feet, and help to support natural glow. This will also help to reduce excess oil and is so good for your skincare. This is called Camwood powder. So to make this scrub, we are going to be using a teaspoon of Camwood powder. We are going to be making use of sugar. You can decide to use brown or white sugar. Then few drops of vitamin E oil. You can also use castor seed oil or any oil of your choice. Then a teaspoon of honey. Just a teaspoon. Turmeric. Just add a pinch of turmeric. Then I'm going to be adding my shower gel. Use any shower gel of your choice. And I'm going to mix. So my hydrating and exfoliating Camwood scrub is ready. Use this on a clean, washed face. This is an effective scrub that will help to smoothen any tough skin. You can use this scrub to scrub your tough areas like your elbow, nails, and feet. This scrub will brighten dull skin, exfoliate any dead skin cells. Massage it on a circular motion for 2 minutes and leave it to sit for at least for 3 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat this at least once or twice in a month. You will see a great change. When you use this scrub, it's going to improve the appearance of your dull looking skin and make it to glow naturally. And if you have excess oil, this scrub will help to absorb excess oil from the skin